Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
So good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We discussed in the previous class, we discussed about simple sentences. We discussed complex sentences. We discussed conjunctions like subordinating and coordinating conjunctions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? And I have told you a simple sentence is very easy to identify because a simple sentence, the four kinds of sentences are coming under the first type of sentence called simple sentence, where you can see only one subject, one predicate, and a simple sentence is with one finite verb. Okay, it can be a question, it can be a simple statement, it can be an order, request, whatever it is, or an exclamation, where you can see in that sentence only no conjunctions are used in a simple sentence because it is very simple in nature with one subject, one predicate, and with one finite verb, isn't it? And also we have explained a complex sentence in the previous session. A complex sentence is very easy because once you are thorough with the subordinating conjunctions, you will be able to identify a complex sentence, because a complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clause connected with the main clause with the help of a subordinating conjunction, right? So I have explained this with the help of a few examples in the previous session, right? A complex sentence is a sentence which consists of one main clause, one or more subclause joined with the subordinating conjunctions. So to separate or to find out a complex sentence is very easy because a subclause is always starting with the subordinating conjunction. This is what we discussed in the previous session, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today, my plan is to begin a new type of sentence, which is not new for you, but a few sentences called the compound sentence, right? We discussed a simple sentence. There are three types of sentences. There are three types of sentence. The type 1 sentence is simple sentence. Type 2, we have explained with the help of subordinating conjunctions called complex sentence. Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Parthiv is saying to let him in.
It's not clear, Parthiv?
Parthiv is saying to let him in.
Nobody is in the waiting room here. I am not getting any messages. Parthiv is here in the room. Here he is in the screen. His video is off. Parthiv, I request you to turn on your video. Yes, here he is here. Anusha, your video is on. Sajeev Raj is in the waiting room. Anusha, your video is off. Okay. So my dear children, listen carefully. We were discussing about the types of sentences. Simple sentence, complex sentence, just over. And we need to start from a compound sentence. So let me explain a complex sentence once again. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and it is connected with a subclause. One or more subclauses can be connected with the main clause with the help of what type of conjunction? Which conjunctions can be used in a complex sentence? Subordinating conjunction. So we can connect a main clause and subclauses with the help of a subordinating conjunction. So such a sentences are said. It is in complex. Okay. So what is a complex sentence, children? What is a complex sentence? A complex sentence consists of
One
main clause.
One or more
You can see the
subclause
presence of subclauses and it should be fitted with the main clause with the help of subordinating conjunction. Excellent. So such a type of sentences are called complex sentence. Excellent. So now let us begin with compound sentence. So we said we are using subordinating conjunctions to join the clauses of unequal rank. The clauses of unequal rank means one can be main clause, the other can be subclause. With the help of the examples we explained in the previous session, right? And now compound sentences where you can see the presence of a coordinating conjunction. So we are using coordinating conjunctions to combine the clauses of
Equal ranks.
Equal rank, excellent. Equal rank. So, our coordinating conjunctions are used to join the clauses of equal rank. So, we can construct a compound sentence by joining two or more main clauses. Okay, only one type of clauses used to construct a compound sentence. And what are the coordinating conjunctions normally used, children? In a compound sentence, I said we are connecting main clauses with the help of a coordinating conjunction. Okay, what are the list of coordinating conjunctions? Easy to remember?
Fanboys.
Fanboys. Okay, fanboys is easy to remember. We have for and
so,
yes.
else,
One person.
neither
One person. I want Dilla to repeat. What are the coordinating conjunction? Dilla, am I audible to you? Dilla, your video is off. Audio is also muted. Dilla is not there. So I have Shifana Shabir. Shifana, can you tell me the coordinating conjunctions can be used to construct a compound sentence?
Ma'am, WH words. WH words.
No, coordinating conjunctions. WH words are subordinating conjunctions, right? We are using subordinating conjunctions to construct complex sentence. I request all others, please mute your audio. Adityan, your audio is not muted. Mute. Please mute. Yes, thank you. So, Shifana Shabir, it's your turn. Shifana, tell me. We can use WH words are the list of subordinating conjunction. I have told you you can use subordinating conjunctions to use to frame, or you can use it to frame a complex sentence. But what about compound sentence? I have told you we can use the coordinating conjunction, and your friend said fanboys are the list of coordinating conjunctions. So tell me what are these coordinating conjunctions now? You have got the word, easy to remember, fanboys. F for louder. I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Echo is coming.
Ma'am, because
Coordinating conjunctions.
For and
Very good.
nor
But or yet. Very good. So apart from this, I have given another list of conjunctions, right? And so Prachita, can you tell me? Yes, so we have got the list of coordinating conjunctions. Than this, I have given a few other set of conjunctions coordinating.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, Prachita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And so.
Okay.
Or else.
Very good. Otherwise. Either or, neither nor, otherwise, and still are the list of coordinating conjunction. If these coordinating conjunctions are present in the sentence, we are using it to combine the clauses of equal rank, which is called two main clauses, can be connected with the help of these conjunctions, and such a sentences are said compound sentence. Okay, so we have three types of sentences: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. A simple sentence is very easy because you have learned the four kinds of sentences, and all the four kinds of sentences which consist of one subject, one predicate, and one finite verb are coming under the simple sentence. And complex sentence, you can see the presence of a subordinating conjunctions, and the subordinating conjunctions are used to combine the clauses of unequal rank, where you can see a main clause connected with another subclause with the help of the subordinating conjunction. And some sentences are called complex sentences. Okay, here I have some technical issues. I can't hear you well. Your sound, I can't hear you properly. So when you speak something to me, you please speak louder. Okay. And a compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of two or more main clauses connected with the coordinating conjunction. This is what we have explained in the previous sessions. Now I have brought a few sentences for you to check whether you will be able to identify simple, complex, compound sentence. And also I have explained it. You cannot see a conjunction in a simple sentence, but you can see the subordinating conjunction in a complex sentence and a coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. So are you ready to do the exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
say louder. So question number 1. Identify simple, complex, compound sentences.
Echo again this coming.
It has some technical problem. The speaker.
Unmute echo will come and mute
I request everybody to mute. That is the only solution. Whenever you are speaking to me, you please speak louder also. Okay? In between, lose connection here. So sometimes I won't be able to hear what you are saying and all. So my dear children, you please speak louder. Okay? So the question for you, identify type of sentence. Identify type of sentence. So how many types are there, children?
3 times.
3 types. Excellent. What are the 3 types of sentences?
Complex, compound.
Very good. Simple, complex, and compound sentences. And now you are going to identify simple, complex, compound sentences. Okay? Question number 1. Joe waited for the train. Joe waited for the train. Question number 2. He bought a car. He bought a car which was too expensive. He bought a car which was too expensive.
And want or bought.
He bought a car. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. He bought a car which was too expensive. Third question. Everyone was busy. Everyone was busy. So, I went to the movie alone. So, I went to the movie alone. Next question. She owned a car, O-W-N-E-D. She owned a car yet she did not know how to drive it. She owned a car yet she did not know how to drive it.
Ma'am, which question? Question number? Ma'am, can you say the question?
Third question. Fourth
Can you repeat
question.
the question?
Fourth question.
Ma'am, it was the fourth question.
Okay. Next question. We live in Texas. Texas is a place in America. Okay. We live in Texas.
What's the spelling?
My sister slept all day. My sister slept all day. The house was, yes, Pranav?
I can repeat the question.
Question number, we'll discuss. Whenever we are discussing the answer, you will be getting the question. You please move to the next question, okay? The house was destroyed. The house was destroyed in the fire. The house was destroyed in the fire. But the whole family was saved. But the whole family was saved. Let me repeat. The house was destroyed in the fire. Adityan, write the question. The house was destroyed in the fire, but the whole family was saved. But the whole family was saved. Next question. If I do not get this job, if I do not get this job, I will start a business.
I join now because there is a Turkish. You can repeat the questions.
Wait, you please write from here where I am reading it, and later on you'll be getting the question when we discuss the answers. Okay. So if I do not get this job, comma, I will start a job. Sorry, a business.
Ma'am, if
I do not get this job, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If I do not get this job, I will start a business. Next question. This is a simple sentence. Next question. This is a simple sentence. And the last question. My mother cooked dinner. My mother cooked dinner while I was doing my homework. My mother cooked dinner while I was doing my homework. How many questions now?
10.
10. Okay. Now, only 1 minute for you. Please go through all the sentences and identify whether it is written in simple or complex,
Okay,
or it is in compound.
Can you repeat the third question?
I request Abhinav Bijoy to read the third question.
Everyone was busy, so I went to the movie alone.
Everyone was busy, so I went to the movie alone. So let me start from Abhinav Bijoy itself. So Abhinav, can you read the first question and can you identify the type of sentence?
Joe
All of you, those who have not written first question, note it now, slowly.
Joe waited for the train.
What is it?
Joe waited for the train. Simple sentence.
Simple sentence. Very good. First one is in simple sentence. Are you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have another person here. Sriram? Sriram?
Ma'am.
Read the second question and tell me, or just identify the type of sentence.
He bought a car which was too expensive.
Okay.
Complex sentence.
Ma'am, first.
How it is complex?
Ma'am, there is a subordinating conjunction.
Tell me the subordinating conjunction used in it, Sriram.
Which.
Very good. So subclause and main clause, can you identify the subclause and main clause from the sentence?
He bought a car is a main clause.
Excellent.
Which was too expensive is a subclause.
Very good, very good. Now I have Lakshmi Chandra here. Lakshmi? Thank you, Sriram. Lakshmi, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, can you read the next question for me?
Ma'am, she's on mute. She's mute.
Everyone was busy,
Ah.
so I went to the movie alone.
Okay. Type of sentence? Be confident and tell me.
Ma'am, compound sentence.
Why it is compound? Your answer is correct. It's a compound sentence. How you identified it?
Ma'am, because of the conjunction so.
Okay, which conjunction is used there?
So.
Okay, what is so? So is a coordinating conjunction. Very good, very good. Abhinanth Krishna. Abhinanth, next question.
She owned a car, yet she did
He owned a car. Okay, she owned a car, yet she did not know how to ride it. Okay. What type?
compound.
Simple, complex, or compound?
Compound.
Compound. Excellent. Tell me how you identified it as a compound sentence.
Yet.
Excellent. What is yet?
Yet.
What type of conjunction? Is it a coordinating or a subordinating conjunction?
Subordinate.
There you went wrong. Coordinating or subordinate? Coordinating conjunction. Very good. So I have another person, Johain Jeevan. Johain, read the next sentence.
Question number, can you say?
Question number 5.
Question number 5, Johain.
Live in Texas.
She live?
We live in
We
Texas.
We live in Texas. Okay.
And simple sentences.
Excellent. It is a simple sentence. Okay. Amna Sharan. Next sentence, Amna.
Yes, ma'am. My sister slept all day. Simple sentence.
Excellent. Simple sentence. Anana ji.
Yes, ma'am. The house was destroyed in the fire, but the whole family was saved.
Okay.
Compound.
It's a
Compound.
why?
Because the coordinating conjunction but is here.
But is used to join two main clauses, isn't it?
Yes.
Independent clauses. Okay. Next I have Anusha. Anusha?
Yes, ma'am. If I do not get this job, I will start a business. Complex sentences. Because if
What is
subordinating
if?
conjunction.
Very good. Can you identify subclause and main clause from here?
Subclause, if I do not get this job.
Okay.
Main clause, I will start a business.
Excellent, excellent. Next question. I have Krishna Kripa here. Krishna Kripa, your video is stuck. Krishna Kripa, are you there? Krishna Kripa. Hessa. Wait. Pranav, can you read the next question, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. This is a simple sentence.
What is the sentence? Okay, this is a simple sentence. Okay.
Simple sentence.
Very good. It is a simple sentence. This is a simple sentence. Is a simple sentence. Excellent. And I have Parthiv. Partha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My mother cooked dinner while I was doing my homework.
Okay.
Complex sentence.
Okay. How it is easy for you to identify it as a complex sentence?
While.
What is while there?
Subordinating conjunction.
Very good. And what is subclause and what is main clause?
My mother cooked dinner is subclause. And while I was doing my homework is main clause.
Sure, Partha? Are you sure what you said is correct?
No. While I was doing my homework is subclause.
Excellent.
And my
because
mother
I have
dinner
told
is
you
main
a subclause is easy to identify because normally a subclause is starting with the subordinating conjunction. So here you said while is used as a subordinating conjunction, isn't it? So while I was doing my homework is subclause. The other part, my mother cooked dinner is?
Cooked dinner.
Is?
Main clause.
Main clause. So is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Another set of questions. Next question. He loves to play basketball. Practice with more examples. He loves to play basketball. He loves to play basketball. Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the sentence? What is the type of the sentence?
Simple sentence.
Simple sentence. Okay. Now, next question. Her name is Jenny. Her name is Jenny. And she comes from Canada. Her name is Jenny and she comes from Canada. I am. This question is to you. I am. The question is, her name is Jenny and she comes from Canada.
And
can you speak a little louder?
Compound sentence.
I am unable to hear my son. Here we have some
compound sentence.
What did he say?
He said compound sentence.
He told compound sentence.
Is it a compound sentence? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How? Your answer is correct, my son. So tell me how it is a compound sentence. How you identified it as a compound sentence?
Ma'am, and.
Because the coordinating conjunction and is used there, right? Absolutely right. Gokul Krishna, next question is to you. Gokul, the question is, I don't like tea. Gokul, I don't like tea. What type of sentence? Very good,
sentence.
very good. Excellent. I have Ahmad Affin here. Next question, Ahmad Affin. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go swimming tomorrow? Do you want to go swimming tomorrow? Do you want to go swimming tomorrow? Comma. Or would you prefer to play tennis? Or would you prefer to play tennis?
Compound.
He told.
Compound.
What is the sentence, Affin?
Compound sentence.
Very good. How? How it is easy to identify a compound sentence?
Coordinating conjunction or.
Ma'am, he told.
Or.
I can't hear. Speak louder.
Coordinating conjunction or.
Coordinating conjunction.
Or.
Which is the coordinating conjunction used here?
Or.
He told.
Excellent, excellent. Next question. Amal Anthony Johnson, are you here? Amal Anthony Johnson, your video is off. Amal, are you there? Amal Anthony Johnson, are you there? Isa, question is to you. Neither the color, all of you right? Amal Kane. Wait, anyway, I have given this question to Isa Jivaraj. Neither the color nor the design of this cloth, neither the color nor the design of this cloth, nor the design of this cloth appeals to me. Appeals to me.
Compound.
Isa Jivaraj, what type of sentence?
She's telling.
I can't hear you.
Compound sentence.
Yes, it's a compound sentence. Excellent. So, how you identified?
Neither nor.
Excellent. The coordinating conjunction, neither nor. Anthony Babu, Anthony Babu, can you hear me? Anthony, your video is stuck. Nelvin, questions to you. Nelvin, I enjoy sitting. All of you write down. I enjoy sitting by the fireplace.
Yes,
I enjoy
Yes, ma'am.
sitting. Okay. This question is to you. Anthony, this is for you. I enjoy sitting by the fireplace. Please note down. I enjoy sitting by the fireplace and reading. And reading books. And reading books. ML Anthony, type of sentence.
Compound sentence.
Why?
And the question was to Anthony Babu or Amal Anthony.
It's to Anthony Babu. It's to Anthony Babu. Any Anthony can speak here. Anthony? Compound. Why it is compound sentence? Yeah, the coordinating conjunction and this used. Okay, no problem, Amal Anthony. So are you able to tell me the next question's answer, Amal? Amal Anthony Johnson?
Can you hear me?
Yes. The question is, please note down the next question. I am so pleased. I am so pleased that you can come to my party. I am so pleased that you can come to my party. The last question of the day. Amal Anthony, this is for you.
Ma'am.
What type of sentence? I am so pleased that you can come to my party. Sure? Is it a compound sentence? Amal Anthony, please look at the conjunction used here. Tell me the conjunction used in the sentence to combine two clauses.
Ma'am, simple sentence.
There is a conjunction used in the sentence, right? Tell me the conjunction used, Amal.
Can.
That. Okay. Is that a coordinating or a subordinating conjunction? Amalu?
Ma'am.
Is it a coordinating or subordinating conjunction?
Coordinating.
Sure? Is it included in the list of fanboys? No. So how can you say that it is a coordinating conjunction? So if it is not included in the list of fanboys, what is it? Where it is included? Under the list of subordinating or coordinating?
Subordinating. Yes.
Sure? So where you can use a subordinative clause? With the compound sentence or with the complex sentence? So what kind of sentence is it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Agree? So that is a subordinating conjunction which we are used here to combine the clauses of an equal rank. One is main clause, the other one is a subclause. So if we are using a subordinating conjunctions to join the clauses of unequal rank, such sentences are called a complex sentence. Okay? Okay? So find out more examples or more examples for coordinating and subordinating conjunction, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.